Hello everyone. This is 2012 BMW X5 35D. So it's 3-liter turbo diesel engine, which is E70, and these engines can be found on many other BMWs. They have, sooner or later, they will have the same problem. And problem is, despite the fact that they would always have problem with other things, and EGR cooler error. You would have a new EGR valve, new throttle body, you would clean the intake manifold, a bunch of other stuff, but you would still get the same error. What happens with these things, there is a return spring on the lower portion of the EGR, right here. Well, we can only see it with the mirror. And you can't really tell, but it is broken because when you shut the engine off, it wouldn't return into its the natural position. It's kind of hard to tell, but it is broken when you move it around the bottom portion. The portion that you can't see doesn't actually move according to other portion of it. So what I did, this is the radiator fan shroud. It's kind of hard to see, but I drilled this tiny hole with a Dremel because I couldn't really fit the drill. So just a small hole, so I can hook the one end of the spring, and the other end fits right right where the actuator arm is. So even engine off, the valve is on its natural position. There is some pressure on the spring, so it would never fall off. And when the engine runs, the actuator actually vacuum pulls it to the other position, so there is even more load, so it's not going to fall out. And this is the low-tech solution to a high-tech problem. And I'm going to show you guys the part number. I got this from a Lowe's. It says 2-piece, so the package contains 2 of them, so you would have one spare unless in case you lost one. So the working pressure is 1 pound, half a kilo, which is sufficient for it to actually bring it back to its natural position. So when you go to store, and it's made by Hillman, there's no part number. You just have to go look for a spring like this. And since there is 2 of them, and it looks like this. So not sure if that's the part number. Maybe it makes it easier. So I hope this helps someone. Of course, this may be permanent solution or temporary solution. However, it will work until something else really goes wrong with the EGR cooler. Not to mention, this EGR cooler is on back ordered. It's about $700-800 part, and there's tons of labor. You would have to take the fan shroud assembly out of the way. You would have to drain the antifreeze, and to get this out. And besides, there is the thermostat assembly is right underneath, which is really hard to access without removing this. So if you don't think this is a permanent solution for you, shop around, used one or remanufactured one. If someone remanufactures it, buy one and replace this along with your engine coolant thermostat. So I hope this helps someone, saves a lot of time, a lot of money. And thanks for watching, and check back for your quick solutions for the troublesome cars. Thanks.